Step into a refreshing take on urban student living at 600 Goodale, a pet-friendly student accommodation in Columbus, offering sleek and modern design for a vibrant college lifestyle. Choose from a variety of stunning room types like studios, 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments, en-suites, and non-ensuites. Each space boasts wood-style plank flooring, walk-in closets, in-unit washer and dryer, and private balconies to personalize your living experience. This abode comes with resort-style amenities, including a fitness and yoga studio to keep you energized, meditation room for peace of mind, and 24/7 emergency maintenance for ultimate comfort and ease. You'll just be moments from Ohio State University and Franklin University. Avail seamless public transit with nearby bus stops like 582 West Goodale Street and regional rail access at South Charleston Station. For study breaks, step out to grab a coffee at Starbucks or enjoy artisanal donuts at Sidecar Donuts. So, are you ready for sophisticated, hassle-free city living? Book your tour and secure your spot at 600 Goodale in Columbus today at amberstudent.com.